Hi, my name is Edgar Torres, and I'm going to teach you how to inward heel. Okay, now learning inward heels, you gotta think about it first, and you gotta give it your all. You can't just be like trying it. You gotta give it 100%. Now, give me the camera. Now, the way you want to set up is kind of like this. This front foot, you want to have it like this or hanging off a little. Some people have it hanging off a little. I just have it right here. And then your back foot, you want it like this. You don't want it like over here, because then when you're flicking it, it'll stop it from flipping. You want to have it here and here, so that when you pop it, it flicks all the way. Now another thing that you want to do with heel flips is the way that I first started learning them. You kind of want to pop outward and kind of like bring your foot back in. Or another way would be flicking like kind of like inward wise like that, hence why it's called an inward. Now some mistakes that people make is when they're flicking, they flick down and your board is just gonna go like that. It's just gonna end like that, and you're not gonna do the trick. What you wanna do, you wanna flick inward wise, and you wanna give all your pop in this back foot, so it just goes like that. And that's basically the way how you inward heel. Also, another thing you want to do is when you're flicking, you kind of want to like scissor your legs. Like you want to have them spread out all the way, so that if any chance you don't land it, you still have some stabilization, but your feet are completely out of the way when you're flicking it. Because if you're flicking it and your foot stops it like it just did now, it won't happen, and you're gonna have a bruise in your leg. But if you flick and scissor out, you have more time to see if it's gonna come down, if you're gonna rack, like I almost did right now, and like you can have some stabilization.